Hey guys, it's Emily from Hopscotch Interactive, and I'm here with you today with what I would consider to be a very important PSA, a public service announcement, because if you are a DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone user, guess what? This drone, as of September 16th, is going to be flying illegally, if you are a commercial pilot, without remote ID. Now, I have heard in a number of forums that DJI will be putting out a firmware update at some point, but they haven't said when. So this message is to implore anybody who owns this drone who feels like it's actually pretty lame to have to put a module on the drone, because as you can see, for example, I'm going to be doing a real estate shoot tonight, so I have already put on here for my twilights my light. Okay, so I have a light already here where the payload would go for something like a remote ID module. Mind you, also the remote IDs are like roughly $200. Like, I don't have a problem spending that, except for that I feel like DJI is not in a hurry because they don't really care in a way. Like, they would rather that we upgrade to Mavic 3s or Mavic 3 Classics, etc. So this drone, which is beloved by many, is now going to be running some risks if you are going to be flying it after September 16th. So please get the word out. I hope DJI is watching, because a remote ID software update, firmware update would be incredible. The range of the GPS or Wi-Fi for the drones, even with the modules, is not that far. So it really doesn't seem to me like it would be something out of the technical specs of this drone to be able to do that. And anyway, so I just did a flight here, and I'm going to do again a twilight shoot, and this is where I put my light. So where am I going to put remote ID while I am doing a twilight shoot? I guess I could put it underneath. Maybe I'll put it underneath. Like, that also becomes a question of where can you safely put this and mount it if you need to have a light on there for flying at night. So maybe all of you photographers out there, real estate photographers who are flying drone, have a solution for me. Let me know. Otherwise, hey DJI, I hope you're paying attention. I would really, really like to get this Mavic 2 Pro updated, and I would really love to be able to say, hey, awesome customer service, you guys knocked it out of the park. September 16th is just about 2.5 weeks away. So get the word out, like and show your support for my public service announcement by adding your name, putting your name in the comments, sharing this video, and letting DJI know that you want your drone to be in compliance. Okay, so thanks so much. I hope you like this video. Again, let's get the word out to everybody, because I see a lot of videos about, oh, here's how you update the module, and the FAA has their list of you know, the declaration of compliance, letting us know which drones are okay, and they're all the most recent drones. And I think that that's great for people who are going to be in the market for buying a new drone, but I feel like forced obsolescence is silly, especially when, well, I don't even want to get into it, but when law enforcement doesn't even really know how to track and would be able to see the difference between a drone that is new, that is compliant, and a drone that isn't new, unless they were looking at it visually. And so we got a lot of problems with this coming, and I would really like to get in front of it, and I want to stay compliant, but I need your help, DJI. And so yeah, thank you so much. Public service announcement. I'm Emily. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. And if you think that your drone is worth an upgrade from DJI, let me know. Okay? Thanks so much.